brown grass. This is actual sand, because it's one of the beach areas here across beautiful Lake Michigan here in Chicago. Also, lots of walking and jogging paths here, and believe it or not, despite how brutal and kind of rough.
This is the National Weather Service office at Greenville, Spartanburg. The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station WWG82's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, back-control receivers automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Test of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station WWG82 broadcasting near Robbinsville on a frequency of 162.525 MHz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in North Carolina: Cherokee, Clay, Graham, Jackson, Macon, and Swain. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards to an Alert test.